administration is not knowledge, but action. So let us go out into the world to use the knowledge we have gained here at AUIS and act and improve the world around us. Thank you very much.
My name is Shan Hiwa. I studied in cohort 6 of the Masters in Business Administration at the American University of Iraq, Sulaimani. Studying my MBA took a lot of time, energy, money, and sleepless nights. But was it worth it? Yes. I studied my bachelor in architecture. We were taught how to design efficient and effective buildings, but business comes in when you want to make these designs and ideas into actual, tangible things. At the moment, I'm applying my MBA at work. I have a business idea I want to pitch to my boss. So I'm going to create a business plan for it using actual data and numbers to reduce the risk of failure. And I hope I'll get accepted.